Hi friends, this is Gayatri here. I'm planning to take a free session on acupressure. I mean the hand reflexology portion of acupressure. I want to share a recent experience of mine. It will help you to understand how useful acupressure can be in your lives. Before I talk to you about my experience, I want to tell you why I'm looking at taking a free session on acupressure. It's currently that we are in this pandemic situation where we have corona. Most of the hospitals are having only the emergency or casualty departments open, and it is getting difficult for a lot of people to get medical access. Even if you want to go to the hospital, you're not in a situation where you can go. So, in a situation like this, the least that I can do is share my knowledge so that somebody somewhere is able to handle a medical condition. Recently, I was woken up with a lot of noise, and when I came out and saw, it was my mother in law. She was suffocating, she was unable to talk, she had a lot of difficulty in breathing, and somehow, in broken words, she was able to communicate that she had inhaled the fumes of the bathroom cleaning agent. So, the first thing that we did is we rushed and gave her rescue remedy. A rescue remedy is a Bach's flower remedy which is useful in emergency situations. And Bach's from flower remedy in general are used in handling emotional conditions. They work pretty effectively. They're not very popular, but they work quite well. If anybody is interested to know about this one, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. Even after giving a couple of doses of rescue remedy and a few other emergency remedies that we have at home, there was not much of improvement. She was closing her eyes, although she wanted to open it, she could not. And she was breathing really heavily. She was telling her last prayers. We thought that we might have to rush her to the hospital. It was pretty scary. And since I've learned acupressure, I thought, why don't I try out some of the techniques there? I gave her pressure at some of the points which I was able to analyze with all the stress. And it was really so heartening that in a couple of minutes she was able to open her eyes. There were tears in her eyes. Slowly her breathing got better and she was able to start talking. Of course, we contacted our doctor and she took the medication that was prescribed, and all the rest that was suggested as well, and she got better. Thankfully, she's fully recovered right now. You know how scary it can get, right? Because I remember my elder one when she was around 1.5 years of age. She had got sudden high fever. She stopped responding. Her eyeballs seemed to be going upwards, and we had to rush her to the emergency, and she was hospitalized for 3 to 4 days. And pretty recently, my younger one was in a very similar situation because of high temperature. She also had stopped responding. But this time, we were able to handle it and, go meet the doctor the next day. Now, all these helped me to understand how empowered I felt after learning acupressure. It helped me to handle life situations, medical situations, emergencies. Although I might have to take medical help, I was much more peaceful. I did not panic. I was in control. If you want to empower yourself with the knowledge of hand reflexology, please click on the link that is available here to register for this session. The link is there in the description box as well. You can share this video with any of your friends, your family, your neighbors, or anybody who might benefit from this knowledge. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you get notified if any new video is being uploaded. Thank you.